Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something many of us have probably dealt with at some point, a dripping faucet. It might seem like a small issue, but did you know it could be costing you big time? Let's break down why you should never ignore a dripping faucet. Even a slow drip from a faucet can waste a lot of water. The average drip uses about 1 drop of water every second. That doesn't sound like much, right? But over time, that small drip can add up to hundreds of gallons wasted. That's right. Those small drips can waste over 3,000 gallons of water a year. And if you're paying for water usage, that can really start to add up. It's like flushing money down the drain. Here's how it breaks down. If you're paying for your water, you're essentially paying for that wasted water. Depending on your water rates, that's more money out of your pocket every month for something that could be easily fixed. Now, it's not just about the money. A dripping faucet can also signal a bigger problem with your plumbing, like worn-out washers, faulty seals, or even corrosion in your pipes. These issues can lead to more serious problems down the road. If you ignore that drip for too long, it could escalate into a leak in the wall or under the sink, which might lead to water damage, mold, and costly repairs. Fixing a dripping faucet is a quick and easy DIY project, and the cost of repair is minimal compared to the long-term effects of ignoring it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy plumbing!